from TBA1141H, and this is our video for assignment MAT112. Let's get started!
Hi, my name is Nur Ainadira bin Sinar Iskandar.
Hi, my name is Nala Batismin Yusri.
Hi, my name is Ainur Alisha Sofia binti Ahmad Syukri.
Hi, my name is Nur Syazwani binti Syamazaki.
My name is Nur Ainadira and I'll be solving Part A, Question 1.
To begin with, Part A, Question 1. Dr. Arwan, a 25-year-old currently employed at KB Medical Central, plans to open his own clinic within the next 7 years. To achieve this goal, he is considering two investment options as outlined below, Bank A and Bank B. Both principal are provided with 145,000. Bank A interest is 6.5% compound every 2 months, while Bank B 6.55% compound quarterly. Compound every 2 months means that M equals to 6, while quarterly M equals to 4. Question 1. For each scheme, how much money will Dr. Arwan have in his investment account after 7 years? First, we have to list down the information for each bank. For example, Bank A, P equals to 145,000, T equals to 7 years, and R equals to 0.065. Then, we substitute the value into the formula. 145,000 bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 6 to the power of 42. And the answer would be 227,986.59 cents. Bank B will apply with the same formula. Substitute the value 145,000 bracket 1 plus 0.0655 over 4 with the power of 28. And the answer is 228,476.35. Question 2. Based on the above information, which bank should Dr. Arwan choose? Justify your answer. First, we make comparison between Bank A and Bank B. As we can see, Bank B provides higher interest value, which is 228,476.35. And the answer would be Bank B, because it provides higher final amount.
Hi, I am Alia. I will explain how I answer question 2 part A. This question involves compound interest with two different interest rates. So, I will calculate the first 9 years and the remaining 6 years separately. Step 1. First 9 years calculation. The interest rate for the first period is 5.5%, compound every 4 months. Since 1 year has 3 compounding period, I calculate the rate per period. I equals K divided by M. I1 equals 0.055 divided by 3 equals MT. N equals open bracket 3, close bracket, open bracket 9, close N equals 27. S1 equals P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N1. S1 equals 1500 open bracket 1 plus 0.055 divided by 3 close bracket to the power of 27. S1 equals 1500 open bracket 1.63316083 close bracket. S1 equals 24,497 ringgit and 41 cents. Step 2, last 3 years. I2 equals 0.06 divided by 2. N2 equals open bracket 2 close bracket open bracket 3 close bracket. N2 equals 6. S2 equals 24,497 ringgit 41 cents. Open bracket 0.06 divided by 2 close bracket to the power of 6. So the final amount after 12 years is 29,251 ringgit and 19 cents. But B, Susan invest 8,600 ringgit. I equals 0.035 divided by 12. N equals 12T. Is formula for compounded. 11,177.25 equals 8,600. Open bracket 1 plus 0.035 divided by 12 close bracket to the power of 12T. Open bracket 1 plus 0.035 divided 12 close bracket equals 11,177.25 divided 8,600. Open bracket 1.0029166667 close bracket to the power of 12T equals 1.299C80233. Then open bracket 1.0029166667 close bracket equals 1.299C80233. 12T loan, open bracket 1.002916667 close bracket, equals loan 1.299C80233, equals loan open bracket 1.299C80233 close bracket, divided 12 loan, open bracket 1.002916667 close bracket. T equals 7.5 years. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Alicia. I will be showing you how to solve question 1 part B.
Z invested RM650 every 6 months into an investment scheme for 13 years that pays an interest rate of 5.4% compounded semi-annually. Find the future value at the end of the investment period. Z deposits RM650 every 6 months, so this is not a one-time investment. Because the money is added regularly, we must use the future value of an annuity. The interest rate is 5.4% per year. Semi-annually means twice a year, so we use 2. N is the total number of times the interest is compounded, so we multiply M and T. So we use the future value formula. We use S equals R times 1 plus to the power of N minus 1 divided by I. After putting all the values into the formula and calculating, the final answer is RM 24,052 and 08 cents. Alia took a loan at an interest rate of 4.4% compounded monthly to finance her new kitchen cabinet. She plans to repay the loan over 6 years with monthly installments of RM 2,037.40 cents. Determine the total cost of her kitchen cabinet if Alia already paid RM 1,500 as a down payment. To find how much she actually borrowed, we use the present value of an annuity. The interest rate is 4.4% per year, but because the loan is compounded monthly, we divide it by 12. We multiply M and T, which is 12 and 6. After putting all the numbers in the formula and calculating, the answer is RM 14,998.65 cents. So the amount she actually borrowed is RM 14,998.65 cents. After adding her RM 1,500 down payment, the total cost of the kitchen cabinet is 16,498.65 cents.
Hi, I'm Wani and I'm going to show you how to solve this question. Farzana purchased a family studio priced at 270,000. She made a 25% down payment and financed the remaining balance through a housing loan from a bank charging 3.43% interest, compounded monthly. The loan is to be repaid through equal monthly installments over a period of 20 years. Find the monthly payment. First, let's calculate the amount of loan. Since Farzana has already paid 25% as the down payment, we only need to calculate the remaining percentage. So 100% minus 25% equals to 75% of the loan. So now we can calculate the amount of loan. 75% times 270,000 equals to 202,500 ringgit. Next, I equals to K divided by M, N equals to M times T. The interest rate is 3.43 per year, compounded monthly, so we divide it by 12 to get the monthly rate. The loan period is 20 years, which is 12 times 20 equals to 240 monthly payment. Now we use the present value of annuity formula. A equals to R 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative N divided by I. So 202,500 equals to R 1 minus 1 plus 0.0343 divided by 12 to the power of negative 240 over 0.0343 divided by 12. R equals to 202,500 times 0.0343 divided by 12 over 1 minus 1 plus 0.0343 divided by 12 to the power of negative 240. After calculating all the amount, the answer is 1,167.15 cents ringgit. Next question, if she fails to pay for the first 5 monthly payments, how much should she pay on the 6th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? In this question, Farzana did not pay the first 5 monthly installments because she is paying all the arrears later at the 6th month. We have to calculate using the future value formula of those 5 installments. S equals to R 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 divided by I. So S6 equals to 1,167.50 times 1 plus 0.0343 divided by 12 to the power of 6 minus 1 over 0.0343 divided by 12. After calculating all the amount, the answer is 7,053.13. C. Calculate the outstanding balance if Farzana decided to settle the loan in single payment immediately after paying for 15 years. N equals to M times T. Farzana has been paying for 15 years, which is 12 times 15 equals to 180 payments. The total loan period is 240 months, so 240 minus 180 equals to 16 payments remaining. We're going to use future value of an annuity formula to find the outstanding balance. So A equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative N divided by I. After putting R and I into the formula, the answer is 64,268.91.